What if you could make money in your sleep? No boss, no staff, no screen time. All it takes is a metal box, a good location, and the right snacks. Vending machines might seem outdated, but they're quietly generating over $30 billion a year. And for thousands of regular people, they've become a set-it-and-forget-it side hustle that can earn up to $5,000 a month on autopilot. Some people use them as a low-stress second income. Others scale them into a full-time business with real cash flow, all without going viral, building a brand, or even talking to customers. And here's the best part. The entire thing runs silently in the background. No sales calls, no social media, no complicated tech stack. In a world obsessed with crypto, AI, and social media followers, vending machines don't look sexy, but that's the whole point. Right now, there are 4.6 million vending machines operating in the US alone, and they keep making money because they solve 3 problems better than most online side hustles. They're convenient, they're low maintenance, and they work 24/7 without needing likes, clicks, or customers who ghost you. No trends, no algorithms, just snacks, traffic, and a system that doesn't care if you take a vacation. For once, it's a business that doesn't require you to be the product. And while everyone's chasing the next digital fad, vending keeps doing what it's always done, earning quietly, one candy bar at a time. Let's break it down. A single vending machine in a high-traffic location can bring in $250 to $600 per month. Inventory costs, chips, candy, drinks usually run about 40%. So after product costs, one machine can easily net you $100 to $300 per month. That's per machine. Now stack 20 machines, and suddenly you're pulling in $5,000 a month. And the whole system can still be run by one person in a few hours a week. That's why people are quietly loading vending machines into warehouses, gyms, salons, and apartment buildings, and turning snacks into serious income. So what does it take to get started? Used combo machines, the kind that sell snacks and drinks, usually cost between $800 and $1,500. You could buy them refurbished or grab newer models with card readers and touchscreens for $2,500 or more. Inventory is simple. Just buy in bulk from Sam's Club, Costco, or local distributors. Stick to shelf-stable, high-demand items: water, soda, energy drinks, chips, and candy. And then comes the real secret: location. Because one cheap machine in a great spot is worth 10 expensive machines in dead zones. If your location has consistent foot traffic, your vending machine will do the work, rain or shine, holidays or weekdays. It doesn't need a break. So how do you get a location? It's easier than you think. Start with local businesses: auto shops, gyms, office lobbies, warehouses, even apartment buildings. Walk in and offer something simple. I'll install a vending machine at no cost to you. I handle all the stocking, maintenance, and setup. And if you want, I'll even give you a cut of the sales. Some owners will want 10%. Others won't care. They just want the snacks. The key is volume. Don't overthink it. Just make the offer and move on if it's a no. Land your first location and momentum takes over. Most operators say once they got a yes, the rest came faster than they expected. Once you've got a few machines placed, it's all about systems. There are apps that track your sales, inventory, and cash flow in real time, so you know exactly when to restock or collect. You can outsource stocking to a part-time helper. You can even buy routes from retiring vendors and skip the setup entirely. Some operators run 50 to 100 machines and earn over $10,000 a month, all while spending less time working than they did at their day job. It's not flashy. It doesn't go viral on TikTok, but it works, and it works every single day. Vending machines are proof that boring businesses build real money. They don't scale overnight. They don't rely on hype, but they're reliable, profitable, and shockingly simple. And the best part? You don't need to invent anything, code anything, or go to business school. Want more deep dives into passive income machines like porta potties, ATMs, or parking lots? Subscribe to Industrial Secrets, and we'll break down a new profit engine every single week.